welcome back to another video, Freedom Street Garage. We're in the amazing interior of the Camaro ZL1 that we're giving away. On top of giving away this Camaro plus $10,000 cash, we've partnered with Scosche to fully accessorize this Camaro and include an accessory kit for the winner of this car. We're gonna take a look at some of those accessories today, and we're just gonna walk through everything we've got here and show you how functional all of this is going to be to the person who wins this car, and to anyone also. All right, let's dive right in. So let's start with the 700 amp car jumper / power bank. It says this can jump engines up to 10 cylinders and up to 7 liters. Let's dive right into this. First off, it comes in a very nice carrying case. Packaged very nicely in here. So we've got, first off, the power bank, 15,000 milliamp hour, 12 volts, 700 amps. This thing has 2 USB ports as well as a 12 volt output. This is what you use to jump your car from this tiny device. So let's take a look here. So you just plug this in here, connect this to your battery. We're not going to use this today because Camaro is brand new, so we don't really need to jump this car, but this would come in handy, and it's small enough to keep that you can keep it in your trunk and not even notice that it's there. So this is a very, very useful and handy tool because you never know when your battery is going to die, and it's better to be safe than to be sorry and get stuck with a dead battery. Next is the Magic Mount Pro Window and Dash. This is a magnetic phone mount that attaches to your dash, to a vent, or to the window. There are multiple different types of Magic Mounts. Like, for example, this one is meant to go into the vent. However, the ZL1 has a little bit different type of vent to where this mount wouldn't exactly work best. So we went ahead and installed the dash and window mount. And let's go ahead and show you how that works. So you attach one magnetic plate to your phone, or you can attach it to your case. And then you have this slim mount on your phone at all times that when you get in your car, it's as simple as just sitting it there. Very clean, very sturdy. Sometimes a little too sturdy. Up next, we have a USB-C power delivery mini car charger. So this Camaro, though it's a 2022, it comes standard with just normal USB sockets. So what this does is allows you to plug into your 12 volt socket and automatically have fast charging and USB-C. The cool thing about this one is that it's very tiny. So once you put it into the 12 volt socket, it becomes flush with it almost. And in this car, it's got a cap, so you can just close the cap and almost never even know that it's there. This one's awesome. I need to pick one of these up. All right, moving on to the next item, we've got the Boom Can magnetic wireless speaker from Scosche. It says it's MagSafe compatible. That's great. Cool, so very tiny. This is a little bit smaller than I was even anticipating just from seeing the box, but let's power it up and connect it and see what the sound is like on this thing. The speaker's connected. This thing gets pretty loud. And if you have a MagSafe, you can just stick it to your phone, just walk around like that. All right, next item, a 150 watt portable power inverter. So what this does is it allows you to plug in AC outlet, like things that use like a household type of plug. It converts the power from your car. It allows you to plug stuff like that in, like a lamp, or if you need to blow up an air mattress or charge a laptop, for example. Something like this is what you need to charge a laptop in your car. So we're gonna go ahead and access our 12 volt socket that we did earlier. What you do is plug this in, turn the car on, and it allows you to power an item that uses an AC outlet. So very awesome. This is also very useful if you're into camping or if you like to charge your laptop in your car. It just makes a very good thing to use. Last but not least, not only did Scosche include a bunch of accessories for the winner of this Camaro, but they've also thrown in a couple of hats as well as a lot of stickers. So thank you to Scosche once again. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up, guys. Thanks for watching.